your self-loathing. You've owned the voices inside of your head. You've owned the shame and reproach of your failure. It's time to own your belovedness.
Sarah Kroger is a Catholic songwriter, worship leader, and artist from Nashville, Tennessee. She's been traveling around the U.S. and the world for the past 12 years, sharing her passion for music and prayer with others.
I hope that my music leads people to the heart of God. And that's a very simple hope, I realize, but to me, that what more could I ask for in life as a disciple?
Music has always been a part of Sarah's life. Her parents were both music ministers at their parish, and she was involved in children's choir. But it was at a youth conference in high school that she first encountered worship music.
I'll come to find you, whatever it takes.
It basically became the way that I prayed to God. It became the language through which I was able to communicate with Him in my life.
Sarah says music became a medium for her life that helped her deal with anxiety and depression. And thankfully, she decided to share that medium with others.
You've owned the mess you see in the mirror. You've owned the lies that you're just not enough. You've been so blinded by all your comparing. It's time to own your belovedness.
With songs like Belovedness, Sarah offers support to people who struggle to see past the negative things about themselves.
It's so easy to own those things and allow those things to become our identity, rather than allowing our identity as a beloved daughter or son of God to be the central truth of our life. And so that's what this song is all about. It's about laying those false identities down and picking up our identity as the beloved and living out of that truth.
Sarah is involved in a number of collaborative projects. She's part of a worship collective called Village Lights Music. They hope to release a new EP in 2021 and an album in 2022.
It's time to own your belovedness.
She could die at any moment.
It was 2011. 10 years later, that medical diagnosis has not come true, thank God. It's all thanks to the intercession of John Paul II, who still helps others today. These cases are not the only ones. More than 15,000 testimonies of extraordinary favors attributed to Karol Wojtyła have reached the Vatican. Even a relic with a few drops of his blood gathers crowds in the streets and lead to countless new miracles. John Paul II is still alive.